Alright guys, what's up? We are barbecuing for Mama's birthday.
Sir.
So that's what we got so far. And then
See that?
yeah, stay tuned. We're about to have everyone over. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you guys in a little bit. What's up, kapag secret?
Kapwa.
Wat me vertellen Wat me vertellen se pica por fata wa kera. Ngero, irik mo what?
Ini tadi para pemutih. Iya cek fake news. It's a practice.
Cut. Sim, Miriam. Celine.
They're gonna sing happy birthday to boy. Wait till we say
Bro, I got one that's like.
Alright guys.
Why more your shoulder like
Hi Kamara. Alright. What are we waiting for? Huh?
the main show.
Waiting for Jermaine?
What happened to the candle? Oh, it's milk. You have to hurry. And this happens to me. Is it gone like
What are we waiting for? Huh?
Don't blow it, baby.
Aripwe, Bday City.
Are you waiting for him?
Alright.
Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3.
Alright. Okay, Sisi, start us off. Okay, Sisi's gonna lead us.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Sing louder, guys.
Happy birthday, dear Mama Sissy. Happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama Sissy. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, blow the candle. Yay! Okay, turn on the light, please.
happy late birthday, Shorty.
Thank you.
Good job,
Oh, full house. Absolutely full house.
No, just keep them in paper place.
Hello. Say hi. Hit the storage. Hit the storage.
Yes, man.
Hit you up. Happy birthday, Mama. Shout out to you.
Happy birthday, mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Welcome back. Can I hold her? Today, tomorrow. I need to go.
I went with this guy. I pulled up and this guy was trying to shop.
I know where it's at.
Mars, met de kaart met door, je nou weer aangekeken. Ja, ben ik van Mama?
Wait, can you redo that? I did.
Ben ik van Mama?
Birthday, mama. And sissy.
What's up, guys? Happy birthday, Mama. Love you.
Let's go check out. Oh, it's right here. Go to the cake.
Grabe, birthday. Edit. Ribog. Giriso. Basta naman. Pwede ka po gini chocolate or girisit.
Continue tomorrow, please.
Yung kirikit.
Hey, what you yeah, this only one first. Good.
Got it good.
Take it.
Ah,
Caranya.
Wow, tayo por hero. I guess. Ay, por Boris, pues so fe pai marinate ko bet.
Oh.
Eso warren no fit of gisira kisipsito.
Winko. 24 hours.
Ye what's a korik. Yeah, panepo.
Okay. Mira wa. Nepo Cristo, swapol ba chura sir? Ah. Okay.
Oh, it's mama's birthday and all of a sudden we're gangster.
Oh.
Hey, you too.
Did you get one?
Shishi, happy birthday.
Thank you.
I forgot that it's your birthday. Tarawnik pa.
Tikka, Bath and Body Works, Victoria's Secret down Chuukese skirt. Where?
Maybe I get the credit track.
Igualmente se
Where's the garbage at?
for you and that group.
You don't know where it's at?
¿No te abrió? Yeah, tell her thank you.
Okay.
Just pick.
You're gonna give one to Nono's sister?
I don't like this picture. No! I have a picture of you.
Why do you have so many photos?
It's on my mom's office. Thank you. I can watch it. Sorry.
How come you guys only have stuff for the girls? What about us? That's not fair. That is not so fair. Jangan cek tu karot. Itu tori, jangan cek tu karot.
Can you?
Thank
You went to Lily. Apa saya frozen? Que Gabi Sawal Meralisiat Semurisuke
Sira ginger.
Serewe Ginger Nekon Me Murina Ika Kemekan Me Fia Papa Yarop Sawai Good Kasakun Pu Epoe Apataretu Ekiram Apataretu Ekisarop Sawai.
Okay, thank you. Terus rifau osok. Hah? Hah? Mi fit karar. Manasen, terpilih aku sentas sus.
Why are you?
She almost got me in the face with it.
Hey, where's... Oh, no. I think...
I didn't know. I'm not. I know.
Is he in the back?
Hoy día voy a camarada. Mira que salsa, estos plaquiri.
How you too?
You what's your difference?
I'm too tired.
Good night, Carter.
These are for you guys.
Staying back, right?
Yes. I'm gonna help barbecue.
Very good, very good.
Do you need to crush these two?
Yeah, crush, please.
I can pour it out right here.
Huh?
I can.
Yeah. Hi, girls. And boys. Marera, Joel.
Hi.
Nepo Grisha. Those ones too.
Clean it up, Ross.
more need help?
you know, a lot of things wouldn't be possible. And yeah, we just love you guys. Happy Sunday and happy Mother's Day. I just wanted to say happy Mother's Day to my mom. Thank you for all you do. Thank you for always being there for your 4 boys, me, Austin, Marcy, my dad. We love you. And that's it. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day, guys. I just want to come up here and say my thanks to God. Thank Him for my mom. Thank Him for giving my mom to be my role model. Thankful for also another few years in my life. Thank you. I love you guys.
Thank you.
Kapasini Kiriso Parmariati Samat Skot Wadan Ren Antum and University Pili Pukul Waparani Malaka Sukut. Everyone go to Puluwan in that state and for Parparadan Kiriso Mariti Kotren Medicine Betara Kot Veritum Apan Trusted Kembang Par Irara. Yang Kiriso pada Mariti Kot. Pan Kiriso Pili Samat Skroika main narasi Zaman Kiriso Rende Wapar Veritas Sedinarin Panto Bekere Kiriso Koto Besar Berarati Kemilisi So
Sampai di sini saya aku baca saya kerasa Kristus pada di kot pembeli si konten dalam kerana Kristus yang ke sana medisi toilet toilet pembeli festivities perfect na kapan sampai dari Kristus di kami sampai ada sangat kuat bersih after chairman and media festivities mothers representing money and kids perfect bantuan yang sana na kusina Masukang family sa preleman na ferita nasa. Ang mga kiso ay papa per med amikan warang amin kulikan and ang boys inanap na spiritual friend na may kasama ikaw sa pagkulas na Kristo ay ikan ng kids. Kristo ay kanawat siya ng Nephias Papa Kristo kapag karaniwa yung Mother's Day. Ang dulay Papa Kristo ng kawat awas na naman proklaman na sa Nephias special. Pag Kristo ganyan kay Nanaw ikalay na sa kolate ikalay ko kulita ko paya pagkahit na ni Francis katulad supa. Kristo na kimurun na siya ng Nephias Papa 3 years siapa sirene amifai wasat ingin to fulfill family ini ke awal rasa sayang yang semua ini kau boleh dari center medicine okay bagi risau
Sampai medicine nasa pasok-pasok sa ito rapor ko ay para saya dapat sa kisumi ko marito ko nari to kira kami patur dari ni nori 2026 kami kira apa itu ye para buat kisumi kini kemana Rende tawa cucu ini ferite makan waktu misalnya ini ke nari makan kisi pokok kiri suca panggil kiri kaya mo guru besok anak nomor comong sini aja si family of Christ. Amen sa kita. Kiriso.
Happy Sunday. I'm no different from these ladies, but I just personally wanted to thank all of you guys, especially in the ministry, for what you guys prepared for us mothers this year. I think we can all agree that this year was very special. We saw your guys' heart put into your guys' plan. Yesterday especially, thank you guys for making us feel very appreciated and special with even serving us food. In our culture, you know, that it's a woman who served you guys, but just your guys' service, active service to us, it meant a lot. I'm sure it spoke so much volumes of how much you guys wanted to appreciate us and thank us for us being mothers. So I just wanted to say thank you personally, and may God bless you guys for what you guys have done for us. Thank you.
Ito
I'm gonna give it to the youth so they can say what they're grateful for the moms.
And thank you, Mom, for always taking care of me when I was a little kid. Yeah, thank you. I want to say thank you to my mom. Thank you for protecting me, caring for me since I was a baby. And thank you for being someone I look up to every day. Yeah, I love you. I want to say I'm thankful for my mom. She's in troop right now, and I've been missing her for a long time. Just asking to check up on her. I'm just thankful for her because even through the hardest times, we still went through it together. She was always there for me, took care of me. And I'm also thankful for all the other mother figures in my life. And I love you, Mom.
I want to thank my mom for taking care of me all my life. And I want to thank her for being very patient with me, even though I get angered easily.
I just want to thank all the moms and my mom taking care of us, guiding us, teaching us. That's it.
I just want to thank my mom for protecting me through life and just guiding me. I love you.
I just want to thank my mom. She's not here right now, but I want to thank her for everything she's been. She's done. She's been helping me with my siblings. I also want to thank all you ladies out here. That's also been a very much help to all of us. We love you. First and foremost, I want to thank God for bringing us all here today. And I want to thank all the moms, but most importantly, I want to thank my mom for always being there for me. Love you. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day again. I just want to say I love you, Mom, and happy Mother's Day.
Mother's Day again. Happy Mother's Day to my mom. Thank you to God for giving me to be my mom. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day to my mom. Thanks for taking the bus to the hospital. I just want to say Happy Mother's Day to Mom. Thank you for taking care of me and my siblings, and thanks for putting up with me when I bother you. Happy Mother's Day to my other mother figures. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to my mom. Thank you for all you've done for us. You're welcome for helping around the house, and I love you.
I want to start off by thanking all my mother figures here. I truly appreciate everything you guys do for me and my group here. Also, just want to say thank you to my mom. Thank you for being such a strong and hardworking woman for me to look up to. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I just want to say thank you for everything you do, and I love you, and I know I'm your favorite, so thank you. And yeah, there's no way of repaying you, but God knows, and God will bless you. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day to everyone. I just want to say that I'm very thankful for my mom. You're very hardworking. I love you. Thank you for putting up with me. Also, I want to thank my other mother figures here. Adventures. I love you. All of you. Yeah, thank you. Happy Mother's Day to my mom. She's always been
pastor's wife are often served quietly, faithfully, and sacrifice. They may not hold the title as pastors, but their prayers, support, and hospitality, encouragement, and example is a blessing to the church. Honoring pastors' wives is more than kindness. It is biblical. Mayad sila spiritually came thoughts yun sa coach nila na sila opening our fears. Gabo realize ni naraki with thoughts spiritually for purposes spiritually which is a first thing. Masafir came further the yetchu. Even sa open medical bank, sa open element account. Pagpapalala at sa mga medical, sa Korea, Muslim, even siya to will be one blessing that comes with honoring each other, caring one. Nurpot sarang ilawan ke urut kiris ngir minne over ministry virtual yard virtual para disikin non from sabron noru bisilawon iwer tomen women Christ ko chikka sibar asawon furan ni ni chibine at fureke mirakel subject for children she further than Asia mature we can we non Christ awan may purin fit jadi non Christ even subject for ya cepat kini so jadi ilatski you lalu sekali meeting lalu sekali waktu yang sikit soalan semua waktu ni you berkeri filasi luxury filasi Petrus filasi Catherine filasi Chen tinggi Tiga konvensional art si subject very kuban masalah yodik si dapat kecewiri landscape we gaso kulit ki seorang ministry proper better we keep ground relevant one. You bukan sebuah signature mewah tapi sikit. Berbeda. Jadi sebuah juga bisik. 이것이 아까 가라 저쪽을 야치고만 그것들이 붙이는 아치고죠.